few weeks ago, on my seasonal trip to the upcountry nursery, and just a little Maui lingo lesson, upcountry refers to this area of the island that feels like living in the country, but it's actually 3,000 feet up the side of the Haleakala crater, hence upcountry. It's where I live and I'd have it no other way. Okay, so I went there for basil, but they also had strawberries, and I've been wanting to do a proper strawberry tower garden for a while now, so how could I resist? I picked up 10 strawberry plants. I was gonna go for the full 20 plants, but I really want to see if this is gonna work before I invest $100 into strawberry plants that I may just end up killing in this experiment. And what is the experiment exactly? Well, I'm gonna wash the roots of these 10 strawberry plants and plant them directly into the tower garden and see how they take in a soil to hydro strawberry transplant. First, I want to plant a few in the tower garden to test out how they take and if they're gonna take at all. I took the strawberry plants straight from the container, then aggressively washed the roots until every speck of dirt was gone. For this, I used my garden sprayer on full blast, and I washed the roots against my hand, flipping them and rotating them often to loosen any dirt or debris. Once the roots were totally clean, I used these 2-inch cloning cuffs to wrap around the stems. Next, I removed any mature growth. So any long stem leaves, cut them off, just leaving behind the younger growth. This is going to encourage new root growth and faster and smoother transplant. This method, much like my basil cloning method, removes the need for net cups and rock wool. But they do, however, seem much more precarious, just kind of pinched into the garden, so we're going to keep an eye on things here. It looks like 2 of the plants took quite well and 2 had a harder time. Even still, the struggling plant grew some new roots and leaves, so this might be more a result of the old growth dying. So I'm gonna remove some of the old dead leaves and stems, clean them up a little bit, and then keep an eye on them. Meanwhile, this one's flowering. There were no buds to be seen when I planted them, so this indicates an extremely successful and fast transplant for this particular plant. Being on top of the garden where it gets most of the light from behind, it certainly helped to speed up the development of this one. So this was proof enough for me to go ahead and transplant the remaining 6 plants into the tower.
If your tower garden harvests are dull and uninspiring, if you go online and wonder, what am I doing wrong? I've been growing hydroponically for 10 years, and I want to share with you guys the secrets to a successful tower garden harvest. The key is a hydroponic education. I want to teach you guys the tips, the tricks, the methodology, the secrets, the science, and everything that you're going to need to know to become a hydroponic gardener. So here's what I got for you. It's called the Mastering Your Tower Garden course. This proven method has taken hundreds of people from weak harvest to epic grows in their tower garden. You're going to start to see dramatic changes in your tower garden in just 2 weeks. No matter if you're just starting out or you've owned a tower garden for years, you're going to be able to say goodbye to the questions and the doubts, wondering if you'll ever be able to have the grows like the ones you see online. Just click the link below to get instant access and start filling your tower garden with a bounty of food to feed your loved ones.